Once upon a time, in a village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling lake, there lived a young man named Alex. Alex was hardworking and dedicated, always putting his best foot forward in everything he did. However, despite his best efforts, he found himself trapped in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. One day, while taking a stroll through the village, Alex noticed an elderly gentleman sitting on a park bench. The old man exuded an aura of wisdom and contentment, which drew Alex in. Gathering his courage, Alex approached the old man and inquired about his secrets to success. The old man, recognizing the sincerity in Alex's eyes, decided to share with him the 5 principles that had led him to his wealth. Alex, eager to learn, listened attentively as the old man spoke. "These principles are not taught in schools," the old man began, "but they hold the key to financial freedom." Intrigued, Alex nodded, signaling for the old man to continue. As the sun cast long shadows across the park, the old man shared the first principle. "Always spend less than what you earn. This simple rule has been the cornerstone of my financial success," he said. "It may seem obvious," he added with a twinkle in his eye, "but how many people do you know who earn a salary but still find themselves without a single penny to spare by the end of the month?" Alex thought back to his own life and realized that he too had struggled with overspending despite his best efforts to manage his finances. The old man continued, "When you earn 100, spend 90 and save the remaining 10. If you earn 1,000, spend 900 and save 100. And if you earn 1,000, spend 9,000 and save 1,000. By consistently following this principle, you will accumulate wealth over time." Alex nodded slowly, absorbing the old man's words. It was a concept he had heard before, but somehow the old man's wisdom made it feel fresh and relevant. With the first principle firmly in mind, the old man moved on to the next. Save for emergencies. Life is unpredictable and unexpected expenses can arise at any moment. A sudden illness or a burst pipe in your home can drain your savings. That's why it's crucial to have a safety net, he explained. Having savings set aside for emergencies can prevent you from falling into debt when unexpected expenses arise. It's like having a financial cushion to fall back on when life throws you a curveball. The old man added, "Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind knowing that you're prepared for whatever challenges may come your way." Alex pondered the wisdom in these words. He had often found himself in situations where unexpected costs had caught him off guard, forcing him to rely on credit cards or loans. He realized the importance of having an emergency fund to fall back on when life threw its curveballs. Building on this, the old man shared his third principle: invest your savings wisely. Alex asked, "But how can we make our savings grow? We don't want it to just sit there losing value, right?" The old man smiled knowingly. "You're exactly right, Alex. Keeping your money idle is like leaving it in a leaky bucket. It's time to start thinking like investors." He explained, "The money you've saved should work hard for you, generating more money and securing your future." The old man went on, "There are various ways to invest, such as putting your money into low-risk investments like bonds or index funds. These options tend to be safer and more stable, making them suitable for those seeking long-term growth without taking big risks." He concluded, "Remember, the longer you invest and the more diversified your portfolio is, the greater the chances of success." Alex listened intently, realizing that he had been neglecting this crucial aspect of financial management. He understood that to truly build wealth, his money needed to work for him, even if it meant starting small. As the conversation continued, the old man shared his fourth principle with Alex: work hard and be patient. Alex nodded, acknowledging the truth in the old man's words. He had often found himself rushing the process of getting rich, hoping for quick and substantial returns on his investments. However, the old man's words served as a reminder that true wealth building took time and consistent effort. The old man further elaborated on his point, saying, "Understand that achieving significant wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to stay committed to your goals over the long term. He added, "Avoid the temptation to engage in get-rich-quick schemes or make impulsive investment decisions driven by greed. True wealth is built on solid foundations of hard work, smart choices, and unwavering patience." Alex contemplated the depth of these words. He realized that his impatience had often led him to make unwise financial decisions, chasing unrealistic expectations of overnight success. The old man's words were a gentle nudge, reminding him that the path to financial freedom was paved with patience and discipline. As the fifth and final principle, the old man shared the most valuable lesson he had learned in his journey to wealth. Create passive income. Now let's talk about the real game changer, passive income, the old man said with a gleam in his eye. This is the secret sauce that can accelerate your path to financial freedom. Alex leaned in, eager to uncover the secrets of passive income. The old man explained, "Passive income is like having your money work for you while you sleep. It's an excellent way to diversify your income sources and build long-term wealth." He continued, "To create passive income, look for opportunities to invest in assets that bring in regular earnings without requiring your active involvement." The old man shared some examples of passive income, such as investing in rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or creating and selling online courses. These ventures can generate income even while you're busy with other pursuits, allowing you to scale your wealth over time. He emphasized the importance of exploring different avenues to create multiple streams of passive income, as this can significantly accelerate one's journey towards financial freedom. Alex felt a sense of excitement mixed with determination. The concept of passive income had intrigued him for a long time, and now he had a deeper understanding of its potential. He started thinking about various ways he could invest his money and create additional income streams. As the sun began its descent, casting warm hues across the sky, the old man concluded his wisdom. "Remember, Alex, financial literacy is essential. Educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and growing your wealth. There are numerous books, courses, and mentors available to guide you on your journey." He also encouraged Alex to join communities of like-minded individuals who shared similar financial goals. Surrounding yourself with supportive and knowledgeable people can provide valuable insights and motivation as you navigate the path to financial success. Overwhelmed by the old man's guidance, Alex thanked him profusely. He realized that the principles shared were not just words, but a roadmap to financial freedom. With newfound clarity and purpose, Alex decided to apply these principles to his life. He started by tracking his expenses, cutting back on unnecessary purchases, and saving a portion of his income. He also began investing his savings in low-risk options and gradually built an emergency fund. Furthermore, Alex took steps to increase his passive income. He researched different investment opportunities and explored various ways to leverage his skills and interests to create additional income streams. As the weeks turned into months, Alex noticed a significant change in his financial situation. His savings grew steadily, and he started receiving income from his investments without having to actively work for it. His dedication to financial literacy paid off as he gained a deeper understanding of personal finance. He continued to educate himself, read books, attend seminars, and seek guidance from financial experts. Alex also joined communities of investors and entrepreneurs who shared their knowledge and experiences, providing him with valuable insights and support. One day, as Alex reflected on his progress, he realized that he had achieved financial stability and freedom. He no longer worried about unexpected expenses as he had a robust emergency fund in place. His investments continued to grow, providing him with a sense of security for the future. Moreover, his passive income streams had diversified his income sources, making him less dependent on his primary job for financial security. Alex's transformation was remarkable. What once seemed like a distant dream had become a reality. He had managed to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and had created a solid foundation for long-term financial success.